Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is July mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Libra? Air sign. Messages for Libra. Air sign. Okay. What's going, Libra? Under the deck, the Fool, Six of Wands, Page of Swords, Five of Swords. Here, there are some issues. There are some arguments between you and your person. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe they ghosted you. They ignored you. They spying you a lot on social media. Or Libra, you are spying on them. Lots of your children's also involved in this connection. Maybe one person is already married, having kids. Maybe you both are married with two other persons. But you are getting success for your hard work. Recognition for your hard work. Maybe one person in this connection could be popular and you're going with the flow, living in the present moment. I think someone is coming back for reconciliation and they want to start with again. So let's see our reading recent past. Three of Swords, Two of Cups and the Lovers. There is love between you and your person and it's mutual. Maybe you both are strong soulmates. But there was separation. Maybe family not accepting your love. Maybe it could be another issue. Maybe third party involved. Yeah, there is love. But separation had happened due to some issues. Then present Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and Five of Cups. So you want to overcome this pain, breakup pain. So now you're concentrating on yourself, on your inner strength. And you want to take your power back. And someone is coming into your life with stable offer. For some it could be a brand new person, Libra. For some it could be a past person. Yes, you are suffering in silence, but it is just temporary. Then you, Queen of Wands energy, you will be in this energy because you want to overcome this energy. But someone is coming. Then future Knight of Swords, Ace of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. I think you're more concentrating on your career. There is financial stability is coming. And there is communication is coming. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. For some it could be a past person. Yes, there is communication is coming. Text, apology. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. The Sun, Justice, and Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are coming back for second chances, Libra. And this person is very, very attracted to you. Now they are realizing your worth and they are realizing that you are their happiness. So let's see their current feelings. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles. And Page of Wands, Princess of Wands. Nine of Pentacles and King of Swords, King of Wands and Three of Swords. Maybe they are not expressing their true feelings to you, but they want to make action very soon. Right now they are heartbroken, but they are thinking about you a lot, Libra, and they really want to work on this relationship. Yes, right now they are in slow moving energy, but this time they are very, very serious about you. And Princess of Wands. So communication is coming. Maybe for some you both have age differences and they are thinking about you that you are a very independent person. Financially and emotionally also. So let's see their intentions. Maybe lots of you are in no contact situation right now. Yeah, there is love. Definitely they love you. And they're waiting for right time, wheel of fortune. Some changes coming in this relationship in near future. And yeah, two of swords. Maybe your person right now waiting for the right time because they are at some crossroads. Your person have to make some decision, but right now they are indecisive and they started listening to their intuition and they want clarity. Yes, in near future they will get clarity. Right now they're stuck, they're confused. Maybe they are juggling between head over their heart, but they do love you. Right now your person waiting for divine timing, but there is communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Queen of Cups, Seven of Swords. But there are some trust issues. I think they do love you, but they're scared. That's why they're waiting for right time. Because in past they did hurt you. Now they want second chances. That's why they're scared. But they do love you, Libra. And they want to express the true love to you. But for some it's too late. Maybe you are going through a tower moment when you are break up with this person. Yeah, they cold shouldering you, they treated you as an option. Yeah, definitely this person is not trustworthy. That's why maybe you are holding back. But they want brand new beginnings with you. But I am seeing a brand new person is coming into your life to offer new beginnings. Yeah, they want. I think this person will take. I think this person is going to offer their cup of love to you. But this person is very, very sneaky. Maybe this person is not trustworthy. Maybe they are coming back for second chances. You are not trusting this person. So let's see mutual. Yeah, it's too late. Yes, there is love. You still love them, but you don't want to give another opportunity for some. Always they keep putting you in waiting. Eight of Pentacles, lot of work to do in this relationship. Even though when you both reconcile, lot of work. I think you are taking your control back. Again, waiting. They keep putting waiting. That's why maybe you're concentrating on your career, Libra. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Libra. Lot of abundance is coming. All I want is you. Third party involved. Mask. Yes, maybe for some they are wearing mask. And true love. They are not expressing their feelings to you. I'm feeling sad without you. So mask, third party involved. All I want is you. Lot of abundance is coming. True love. And I am feeling sad without you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn energy. So right now if you are going through a tough cycle, it is going to be end very soon. Especially when full moon in Capricorn. And you are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough. Just feel good about yourself. Love yourself and respect yourself. Then everyone will give you what you give to yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. So this is the reading. Thank you.